My Mercedes ML350. I'm trying to figure out what this noise is. I have no idea. Keep trying to tell me that they think it's a air pump, but I think it's a pulley or a belt. But of course they're going to tell me what the most expensive thing is, right? So I need you guys' help to help me decipher this and let me know what you think this might be. Alrighty?